Hey team, Claire here from My Mortgage, and today I want to talk a little bit about refinancing and break fees. So I get asked quite a lot if you want to review your lending and you're within a fixed term, will I have to pay a break fee if I shift banks? Well, the answer is maybe. It depends a lot on what the rates were when you fixed originally and what the rates are doing now. So essentially a break fee, also called an ERA or an early repayment adjustment, is the bank's way of recouping some lost interest cost that you may have agreed to pay. So for example, you might have agreed to pay 5% for 3 years and you're 2 years into that fixed term and you'd like to break and move to another bank, sell your property or do something else. So you've got 1 year remaining on that fixed term. The new rate for 1 year might be 6%. And because that rate is higher than the rate that you're paying at the moment, there's unlikely to be a break fee. Some banks will charge a small administration fee. Normally that's somewhere between $10 and $25. But if the bank is going to make more money by lending that money out to someone else, then they're probably not going to charge you for it. However, when rates go down, and so let's say in that situation before your current rate was 6% and the new rate was 5%, the bank will charge you the difference to them in lending that money out to someone else. So that could be $1,000, it could be $2,000, it actually could be anything depending on how much you've borrowed and what that rate is on the day. Now an ERA or break fee is actually calculated on the day of breaking. So while we can always check what that break fee is, now, if you're not settling for 2 months, there could be a change in the rates between now and then. So you just have to be aware of it's always an approximate value. We also can't calculate it with any fancy calculations because it depends on what the bank is paying out for that money that they've borrowed and are lending to you. So again, we can't actually plan for how much a break fee might be. We can only estimate it up until the day of breaking. However, as a general rule, if rates have gone up, you're probably not going to be paying a break fee, and if rates have come down, you may pay a break fee depending on how far they've come down, how long you've got left on your fixed term, and how much you've borrowed. So if you're ever unsure, you can come and talk to us. If you jump onto our website, mymortgage.co.nz, we'd love to talk to you about your situation and make sure that whatever new plan you've got is going to fit really well for you heading forward, and we can go from there. So look forward to talking with you soon.